Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Policy77 coming at you with another video. In this episode, guys, we're going to do part 2 of my mail call unboxing. This package I've been waiting for some time. I've been a couple weeks now, and I do apologize, and I apologize for the delay. But I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So this package is from Anthony of a YouTube channel called ForeverFreakyFunko. Now, I've been a long time supporter and subscriber of this channel. He always has great content. He has fun interactive live streams. He's a very generous YouTuber. He always gives back to the community. He always does giveaways in like every video, and he uploads videos every day, so gives you an idea. And he ships items anywhere in the world, so if you win the item, it's just not exclusive to US residents only, but anywhere in the world. So if you're a subscriber and you win, it's getting shipped to you wherever you live. So really cool label here. He has himself as a pop. I think that's pretty awesome. Anyway, guys, without further ado, what's in the box? Okay, let's find out together, guys, okay? Well, I know what it is, but you guys don't, so. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and open it at the bottom since he has a really beautiful label and I don't want to ruin it. I'm excited, guys. So, Anthony, his channel, ForeverFreakyFunko, it's a duo because he features his daughter sometimes in his videos. And she actually started her own YouTube channel, Sophia. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for her channel as well. So go ahead and definitely pay a visit, support it, shoot a sub, also leave a comment. Let them know Paul C sent you. All right, so nicely bubble wrapped, which is pretty awesome. Anthony's a collector too, so he knows how to ship items. So without further ado, guys, look at this awesome and beautiful vinyl figure. It's Harley Quinn Hot Topic exclusive holiday 2018 vinyl figure. Here's the front. Beautiful box art in the back. Really cool. It's very festive. Red, green, white, black. Here's the top. And it retails at your local Hot Topic for $29.90. So this is a $30 figure. So this is a very pricey item. So thank you so very much, Anthony. I really appreciate it. It's very generous of you. I'm very honored and humbled to receive this item and to add it to my collection. So thank you very much. And just in case you're wondering how I won it, in one of his live streams, he had trivia questions. And one of the trivia questions was, what year did Suicide Squad come out? And I was the first one to respond, 2016, and I won this beautiful vinyl figure. And this is the first one like it that I own, so I'm really excited to add it to the collection. And in case you're curious, it's by Cryptozoic. Anyway, guys, if you haven't visited ForeverFreakyFunko, he's also on Instagram. Definitely shoot him a follow. Check out his channel on YouTube. And definitely support an awesome YouTuber, beautiful human being, and I'm very gracious and thankful once again to add this beautiful prize to my collection. So anyway, this is Policy707 signing off. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. And as Anthony says, be good to each other. See you next time, guys. Take care.